Alright, I'm Nick. This is my bike check. To start off, we got some S&M Grand Slam XLT bars. I got them around 1 inch on each side, so around 27s now. I got Fly Pheno grips, the cuttable ones. I got Eastern Grip Stop. I have the Coalition Pove stem in teal. I got Primo compression bolt. I have Cane Creek headset. I have With People helium forks and a stock Storm rim. I have Fly Ruben tires 2.25. It's a S&M, and I have the Colony seat with the Primo seat post. I have Colony Fantastic Plastic pedals. They're gay. They suck. I don't really like them. I got DK Social Cranks. They've been holding up pretty good. I have the Coalition V2 sprocket with a KMC heavy duty chain and a Stolen Revolver bottom bracket. I have the DK Orbit rim with the Primo hub mixed cassette. I just laced it up today. Seems pretty good. The rim feels pretty sturdy. And I just got another Fly Ruben tire in the back and some stock Storm pegs. Thanks for watching.